Learning to marble has never been easier with the 20-minute studio marbling art for beginners from Faber-Castell Creative Studio. The kit includes 12 soft pastel colors, a Pitt Artist Pen, 5 sheets of paper, 12 die-cut tags, 2 sheets of gold foil transfers, glitter, a wooden stick and sanding board, and a design guide. To create a marbled piece, start by rubbing a pastel against the sanding board to scrape pigment into a bowl or tray filled with water. For extra sparkle, add glitter to the water. Leave the water as is or swirl it to create a cool design. Next, lay a sheet of paper or tag on the surface of the water. Then lift it up to reveal a pretty marbleized design. If your design curls during the drawing process, place it between 2 sheets of parchment or copier paper and lightly iron. To protect your design, spray it with hairspray or a fixative. Finally, decorate your design with the foil transfers and use the Pitt pen to add extra details. Create marbled home decor pieces, tags, and card backgrounds with the 20-minute studio marbling art for beginners from Faber-Castell Creative Studio. You can find additional colors and nib varieties of the Pitt Artist Pens, as well as other transfer designs in the art aisle of your arts and crafts retailer.